the Rode VideoMic Me-L that works with iPhone. This is a shotgun mic. I've talked about this in my classes, and I was using a Shure unit that they've discontinued. So I decided that's going on eBay and get one of these. I always like to use and make sure I'm working with the primary things that I recommend in my classes. And this is what's called a shotgun mic. It's highly directional. They have one for the iPhone and Android phones, which would be the USB-C mount. This is the one for the iPhone. And then there's also software that will interface with it called the Rode Reporter. And I want to explain how this works. It's like a layer that interfaces with the unit, and so that it can do firmware updates and adjustments on it. I will be trying this out. As far as I can see, it should work fine without it, but with this software, it's like a layer in between. So you've got this, then you've got that app running. You start it first, then you go over to recording, and you'd be able to adjust the gain is what they've told me. Let's open this guy up. Here we go. And they're sealed pretty tight, but that's so that someone can't get into it, and it won't be messed with. And I do recommend buying this not from the big A person, but from something like B&H or directly from Rhodes or Sweetwater, something like that. So here it comes out with this little fuzzy head on it. It has a sheet that says register. Make sure to register this on Rhodes. A little bit of stuff to keep it dry and shipment. And it also has a little booklet with information on it. It also has a headphone jack directly so you can monitor it while you're doing it. So now let's go ahead and take this guy out. So first I'm going to take the windscreen off and then see if I can get this out. Okay, we got it out. So I want you to see it as is. So then it has just like the old one that had just a plug-in back when phones had it, this has a little rubber unit to let you grab it and hold it on the phone. I like that. I do want to tell you, you may have to cut out the case. That's it. We have a little quality control sticker here. We'll take that off. I just love it. They're solid. They feel good, well built. I want you to just see this real carefully. This is designed to be directional. It's well made. So then what does this look like on the phone? Let me go ahead and I'll get our software loaded. Okay. That's the Reporter software, and I do recommend it. So I'm going to open it. Of course, now it's just working right off the built-in microphone for my unit. This is just the audio. Of course, I'm in my studio, but this is the audio recording right off my iPhone without using the little Rode shotgun mic. There's a slider here, you see at the bottom, that controls the sensitivity. So now I'm going to plug this guy in. Look at the top. See how it says Rhodes? It identifies the microphone, and then I can control the gain. So right now I'm right on top. I'd want to turn it down. It's like hammering. But back here, we'll do another recording test. This is a video with the Rhodes shotgun mic attached, so you can hear the difference. And I'm talking with it installed, and I've also installed the Reporter app, so it's a layer in between the microphone and the built-in video on my iPhone 13. You can also in this app do some configuration. You go into interface, under settings, and in this case, check to see if there's a firmware update. See the little firmware thing? So there is a firmware update there, and you definitely want to get it, so I'll click it. Do not unplug, it's running. The firmware update. Complete firmware updated to the unit. Very important to get. Done. All right. Now this is it attached to my phone. So you can see what it looks like, you know, and visually it's not in the field of vision. This completes this video. Remember to click subscribe and the bell to make sure you see everything I post, and look forward to hearing your comments below. Have a great day. This is Martin Brossman.